Hello everyone. In this video I will explain you conditional probability with a very nice example given on the board. This conditional probability is very important. First you read its definition. The probability of occurrence of an event E2 when it is known that some event E1 has already occurred. Means you have to find out probability of E2 and given that some event E1 already occurred. So it's called conditional probability and it is denoted by P E2 upon E1. So this is called conditional probability. So given consider two events E1 and E2 when it is known that some event E1 has occurred already. It means that sample space would reduce to sample point representing event E1. Means sample space it's a big and it is reduced to E1, so it is become probability E2 upon E1. So it's called conditional probability. Now what is its formula? Representing the simultaneous occurrence of E1 and E2 means you have to find out first intersection of E1 and E2. You will understand it by the example given on the board. So first you understand its formula only. So how we will find out conditional probability of E2 upon E1? First you have to find out the intersection of E1 intersection E2. So common elements of E1 and E2 you have to find out, and numbers of elements. Ne मतलब numbers of elements, total elements of E1, and n E1 intersection E2 mean numbers of total elements of E1 intersection E2. Then you have to divide both by number of total elements of sample space. So you will get the probability of E1 intersection E2 and probability of E1. So this is the formula for conditional probability. So formula for conditional probability is probability of E2 when given that some events E1 already occur, then you have to find out probability of E1 intersection E2 and you have to divide by probability of E1. So this is the formula for conditional probability and you have to remember this formula. And we know that probability always greater than 1 and less than equal to 1. Probability never greater than 1. So this conditional probability you will cleared by this example. So solve one example related to conditional probability. So read this question. What is probability of appearing odd prime numbers from starting 10 natural number if all odd numbers have already occurred? Means what is our sample space? Sample space is also it is known as biggest set of the question. This is called universal set also in the set theory. So sample space means universal set. So sample space is a biggest set, and what is this? From 10 natural numbers. So you have to write 10 natural number in sample space as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and what is already occurred? All odd numbers have already occurred. So what is E1? E1 means the some event that already occurred. So all odd numbers are 1 3 5 7 9. So what you have to find out? What is probability of appearing odd prime numbers? So this set of odd prime numbers mean they are prime also and odd also, mean set of E2 is 3 5 7. So what is your conditional probability? Probability of E2 when E1 already occurred. Means write the formula of probability E1 intersection E2 divided by probability of E1. Here that formula, this formula you have to write here. Now probability means number of elements of E1 intersection E2 divided by number of elements of sample space, then divide number of elements of E1 divided by number of elements of sample space. This is the formula for both probability. So you know that number of elements of E1 intersection E2 means common element. Intersection means common elements of E1 and E2. So find out common elements here. 357. 357 means 3 elements of common. So number of elements are 3 and divide by number of elements of sample space S. The number of total elements are 10. So divide by 10. So NE means number of elements of E1 that already occurred. So 5 elements are already occurred. So 5 upon number of elements of sample space, that is 10. So 10 cancel. So conditional probability of E2 when some event E1 that already occurred. So conditional probability, that is 3 upon 5. That is our answer. Hope you understood conditional probability. Thank you very much.